Well, it certainly has been a wild fall with plenty of extreme temperature swings this weekend, Exhibit A, right? But it looks like the weather pattern could be turning noticeably colder. 4029 meteorologist Robert Suhr here with all the details on this. Get ready for the chill.
Yeah, big pattern changes on the way.
Yeah.
It looks like all the global climate models are signaling it. We could have our first taste of winter as we get into next weekend and into the next 2 weeks, essentially. So I want to start off with why that is. And we're going to start with a look at what are called height values. And these, we're looking way up into the atmosphere here. And as I put this in motion, so we got a big ridge here, and you got a trough in the west. So you get cold air with troughs. And notice this week we're under that ridge. Lots of southerly flow, lots of warm air. But by the time we get to next weekend, here comes that ridge, really cold up across the northern plains. And that cold air spilling into our area. And as we get deeper into next week, that intensifies or amplifies huge ridge or a trough almost down to the Gulf Coast. And that's going to keep pumping in that really cold Canadian air. And now we're out towards the 20th of the month, the week of Thanksgiving, where we might start to see things flip around. Now, the Climate Prediction Center is seeing this too. This is 6 to 10 day temperatures, and I can't remember a time where there's been that much below average temperatures that look likely for 6 to 10 days out. In our area, the confidence is extremely high in that happening. Same thing 8 to 14 days out. And when you look at precipitation, equal chances 6 to 10 days out for above or below average precipitation. But 8 to 14 days out, we're just on the edge of slightly above average precipitation. And with cold air in place, that could mean snow. And snow in November is not out of the question at Drake Field. You can see in November 1976, they had 8 inches. And all these years with measurable snow, we've even had a trace 22 times, Paul. And the earliest snow that Drake Field has recorded is actually late October. But there's a pretty good shot we could see some snow before the end of the month. We'll have to see.
We'll have to see indeed. All right. Get that parka out. Break it in.